Hi, I'm Dr. Matt Sheehan, chiropractor at Medford Family Chiropractic Center in Medford, Oregon. And I'm here today with my friend Angie Orr, who is a licensed massage therapist. And Angie is helping me to demonstrate a simple neck exercise that I show some of my patients who have weak front neck muscles. They're called the deep neck flexors. And we're going to be referring to a handout that I often use with my patients. And so if you're one of my patients and you're wondering how the heck to do this, this is the one that we're referring to. And it's showing it here standing, but we're going to do it today in a way that's a little more effective, doing it face down. So this particular exercise, it's a strength exercise, and the one downside for some people is going to be if you have bad wrists, if you have arthritis, or you have wrist pain and or knee issues. This exercise may not be appropriate for you. If it's mostly knees, you could always try it on your bed. It'll work there as well, be softer for you. But if you can't do it on hands and knees, you can always do it standing. Angie has not done these before, which is perfect because we can demonstrate questions that you, the patient, may have, and also if we need to fine-tune it a little bit, we'll do that, and you'll get just as much out of it from that. So, Ange, what I'm going to have you do is come down on your hands and knees just like that, with your, that's right, your wrist under your shoulder. And are your knees and wrists okay?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So what we're doing with this exercise is Ange is going to be looking straight down, keeping her neck more or less in line with the rest of her spine, and she's going to slowly drop her whole head and neck towards the floor, down as far as it comfortably wants to go, without rotating her head towards her chest. So that's as far as it's going to want to go. And the actual exercise to strengthen those deep neck flexors is to then raise her head slowly towards the ceiling while keeping her chin tucked. So she's not going to be extending or rotating her head backwards. She's just going to come straight up towards the ceiling as far up as she can. And then she's gonna, since this is an endurance exercise and not a power exercise, she's gonna want to hold it in this position as long as she can until she starts to feel some slight fatigue. And then she's gonna let her head down, rest 30 seconds, and then do one more set also to fatigue. So ways typically that people will do this in a non-optimum way would be by forgetting to keep the neck in line with the rest of the spine, and they'll rotate the head as if they're looking up at the ceiling, just like that. So you don't want to do that. That's a good exercise for the posterior musculature in the neck, which often needs strengthening as well, but we'll do that at a later date. So we're looking for the deep neck flexors in the front, so just glide the head straight up towards the ceiling, making sure you continue looking straight down at the ground. So drop your head for me, Ange, one more time, and just glide it up towards the ceiling, keeping your head looking down, and try and tip a little more. There we go, just like that. Yeah, not easy, is it?
No, you gotta really keep your chin tucked.
Yes, you really do. You really have to concentrate on keeping the chin tucked. Okay, and so I have people do 2 sets twice a week.